Hello everyone, welcome back to TechRill. Today we are looking into something essential but sometimes overlooked in software development: accessibility standards. We'll explore what accessibility means, why it matters, and most importantly, how to implement WCAG 2.1 AAA standards in your web applications using GitHub Copilot. I will also show you a practical 4-step demo workflow with Copilot Chat to make your application accessible. Before we jump in, let us quickly talk about non-functional requirements. When building a software, it is not just about delivering features. We also need to ensure security, performance, readability, maintainability, and accessibility. These non-functional requirements make our software robust, inclusive, and sustainable for real users in the real world. Accessibility in particular is about making sure everyone, regardless of ability, can use your application effectively. So what exactly is accessibility in the context of web development? Accessibility means designing and coding your site so people with special abilities can perceive, understand, navigate, and interact with it. That includes users who are blind or have low vision using screen readers, users with motor impairments navigating via keyboards, people with cognitive or learning disabilities, and many others. Building accessible apps is not just about checking a box. It is about equity and inclusion. It is also increasingly required by law in many regions and essential for good user experience. One of the most widely adopted standards for web accessibility is the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines or WCAG. We will focus today on WCAG 2.1 Level AA, which is a recommendation baseline for most web applications. WCAG 2.1 AA includes criteria such as providing test alternatives for images, ensuring sufficient color contrast, supporting keyboard navigation, making dynamic content accessible, and it's the baseline standard for modern web applications. Now, let us see how we can use GitHub Copilot Chat on github.com to help us analyze, plan, fix, and test our project for accessibility compliance. We will use a simple 4-step workflow to bring a project towards WCAG 2.1 AA standards. In step 1, we do research to identify the existing accessibility issues in our project. In step 2, we plan and prioritize critical fixes and create implementation plan. Step 3 is to implement the identified accessibility issues. In step 4, we write the accessibility test using Playwright MCP server. Let's just quickly move to the demo. We have our Casa web application, which is an Angular application with currently 2 components, the home page and another page for the shop. So we'll start with the research. How GitHub Copilot can analyze the repository and automatically suggest accessibility issues related to this repository. Moving to Copilot Chat in the .com, and we have the Casa by repository as a context. We are starting our research by asking Copilot to identify the accessibility issues associated with our Casa by repository. Copilot scans our code, highlights the common WCAG failures, and even drafts GitHub issues with clear descriptions. This step ensures we know exactly what we need to fix. For example, the first one is fix the color contrast for test and UI elements. The title is captured with a description. Going ahead and creating this issue, and let us create the other one. If you want to create all of them, you can go ahead and create everything. So here I am going to create few of the issues, draft issues into an issue format. All of these issues are created currently in Casa by web repository. Let us navigate to the issues. We have all these issues currently created. I'm going to add a new label for these issues, that is accessibility. So defining a new label, accessibility, and providing some colors and creating the label. Going back to the issues, select all the issues. These issues are created for addressing my WCAG 2.1 AA compliance. Let me add the accessibility label to all these issues. There are 7 issues, all received the same label as accessibility, indicating these issues, bugs or tasks is associated with my accessibility testing. Now in step 2, we are going to plan our implementation strategy. Once we have the issues labeled with accessibility, we want to prioritize what to fix first and design a clear plan for our PR. Now we are going back to the Copilot. By attaching our repository as context, we can ask Copilot to come up with a detailed implementation plan. We specified access the issues with the label accessibility and create a focused implementation plan without any code changes, and also requesting Copilot to come up with a follow-up issues, which may be a low priority but create it. Now Copilot will analyze the issues in the repo and return a prioritized plan. It tells us which items are critical and should go in our next PR and what should be logged for follow-up work. Immediate PR implementation plan should address the high priority issues, that is visible focus style, color contrast, meaningful alt text. These are the 3 things it specified, and also there are set of follow-up issues created. Some of them can be taken out later point of time. Now we are moving to the third step, where we are going to make accessibility improvements in our Casa Vibe repository. Instead of manually searching through files, we can ask Copilot coding agent to implement these focused issues. Here is our prompt, asking Copilot coding agent to create a PR to address the critical accessibility fixes. It's asking whether we need to use Copilot coding agent tool. Allow it. Now Copilot will then generate the code changes in a new branch and create a pull request with a clear human readable description. These changes might include adding alt text for the images, improving color contrast in CSS, fixing keyword traps in interactive components. Copilot came up with the work in progress PR already. Let us navigate to the PR. It's captured the 3 high priority accessibility issues. These are the accessibility issues prioritized by our Copilot. The first one, visible style, color contrast, meaningful alt text. Same is captured as part of the initial description for the PR. Let Copilot coding agent go ahead and implement this accessibility fixes. Now our coding agent completed the implementation of critical accessibility fixes for Casa Vibe. The changes made is captured as a detailed PR description. It changed the visible focus styles, color contrast, added meaningful alt text. By default, GitHub and Playwright MCP servers are available as part of Copilot coding agent. Now Copilot coding agent verify its changes by testing it using Playwright MCP server, and it's captured the screenshot of our Casa Vibe web application. And the test it's verified is also captured. What are the tests it's performed to ensure that the implementation is correct. This verification step is very important. Just like any other developers, coding agent is also doing verification of its own changes. And it's captured the impact, how much compliant our web application after implementing these changes, technical details in terms of the changes it's done, There is a minimal changes, more on CSS custom properties, and we can observe all the changes in the file section. There are 9 files modified in terms of adding alt messages for the images and color contrast for the background transition colors and focus for the different button elements. It's modified all the files and the implementation is completed within 18 minutes by consuming one premium request. Now we are moving to the 4th step, testing the accessibility verification with Playwright. Copilot coding agent already done the verification. If you feel you want to test it again, we can use the Playwright integrated MCP server for testing it. Either you can ask Copilot to help us create Playwright test script specifically for accessibility and execute it, or you can add that as part of the same PR. We are asking Copilot to create focused accessibility tests for components we have added as or modified as part of this PR. Use the Playwright MCP server. Here again coding agent is acting on this request and creating the accessibility test focusing on the changes implemented as part of this PR. Meantime, we can go ahead and look at the different issues came here and ask Copilot to modify the issues or resolve the issues based on our implementations in the PR. We are asking Copilot to update the GitHub issues which we fixed as part of the pull request, providing the URL of the pull request with the comments summarizing the changes. We don't need a follow-up issues right now. So let us just update the GitHub issues with the help of Copilot. We have a total of 7 issues. Let us see which all issues Copilot is going to identify and modify based on the PR it's created. It's came up with an update plan. Summarize the improvements for each issues. Issue number 7 and 10 have an improvements. Once Copilot provided the detailed information on how the issue is fixed, we can go ahead and update accordingly. Either you can ask Copilot to update or you can update in your own terms by linking to the PR. Let us go back to the PR to identify how the implementation is going on. Copilot completed the requested accessibility test creation using Playwright MCP and provided a summary here. It's provided even the test coverage in terms of focus style, color contrast, alt text and integration. Ordered the updated test for different components like a hero banner, header, footer and all is captured here. And if you look at the files modified, you will be able to observe the new accessibility test specs added specific to contrast, focus, image, integration and the shell script for running the test cases. And that is it. Our 4-step workflow for implementing WCAG 2.1 accessibility standards with the help of GitHub Copilot chat. First, using the GitHub Copilot, we identified accessibility issues and generated the corresponding GitHub issues, labeled it with accessibility label. Second, we came up with a high priority issue implementation plan. Third, with the help of Copilot coding agent, we have implemented the accessibility fixes for the high priority issues. Fourth, with the help of Copilot coding agent and Playwright MCP server, we have generated the accessibility test and verified the impact. In between, we've taken one more steps to update the associated GitHub issues by analyzing the PR implementation and the issue descriptions. By using Copilot in our workflow, we are not only saving time but also raising the bar for inclusion, accessibility, and other NFRs. Accessibility is everyone's responsibility, and with the right tools, we can make sure no one is left behind. Similar approach can be taken for any of the non-functional requirement implementation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.